Hello guys, thank you for watching another episode of Chantel's Home Cooking. Today I will be cooking with my air fryer. I will be doing sweet potato fries and chicken wings. So first I'm going to prepare my sweet potatoes. Also guys, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like and share, and hit the bell notification so that you will know whenever I load a new video. So next I'm going to cut the sweet potatoes up into French fries. So I just slice them in half, and next you take your knife and you just cut them like that, and it will look like this. And also each one you cut, also have a bowl of water to place them in. Stay tuned. So I have my chicken and I'm going to prepare that first. Excuse me, I've already seasoned my chicken. Also, I will be turning these into barbecue chicken wings. So that's the flavor I'll use. And then after I cook the wings, I'll clean my air fryer, and then I will begin with the sweet potato fries next. So the cooking directions apply to whatever the instruction says on your air fryer. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so this is how our air fryer chicken looks. It is not completely done yet. Guys, I have the air fryer that you use for roasting a chicken or turkey as well. So mine look a little different than most that you have seen from the other YouTubers. So this is the all-in-one air fryer. So you want to consistently flip it over periodically just to make sure it cooks evenly on both sides and throughout your chicken wings. So I'm going to allow this to cook first, and then I will be adding the barbecue sauce to it, and then I'll put it back in here and allow it to air fry with the barbecue sauce on it. So stay tuned guys, do not forget to subscribe. Okay, so next I'm taking my chicken from off of here so I can clean this pan out before I begin with the barbecue sauce. So you just want to drain it on the paper towels, the excess grease. Okay, so I've cleaned my pan. Here's my barbecue sauce. Here's my chicken. So next up, I will be dipping my chicken to make sure that every inch is covered in the sauce. And then put it in your pan. And you just repeat the same thing until you have filled it. Okay, so it is now time to air fry this just for a little while because the chicken is already done. Okay guys, our wings are done, so let's begin the sweet potato fries. So let's begin sweet potato fries, and just placing them into my pan. So I'll set the timer. Stay tuned. Okay, so the sweet potato fries are done. So if you want them crispy, you can allow them to cook longer so that they can crisp. The description below will have the recipe directions. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, tgplatefoodblog.blogspot.com is where you will find my recipes at. Thank you for watching, and you all have a blessed day. I'll see you next time.